Did you know there are over 1.5 billion users on YouTube? And businesses like yours that use YouTube ads to get in front of their target market have a huge advantage over their competition. But you may have concerns and questions you want answered, and we want to help by giving you a free report titled YouTube Ad Secrets for the Local Business. This is a clearly written report that will help you understand how YouTube ads work, the difference between YouTube marketing and YouTube ads, and everything else you need to know to make the best decision possible when using YouTube ads for your business. This report in no way is endorsed or in partnership with YouTube or any other third-party provider service. It is for educational purposes only based on our research and experience. Simply complete the form on this page and download it now.